Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Walmart self-checkout with cash. First, find an open self-checkout lane. Begin by scanning each item's barcode, ensuring every product registers correctly. If an item doesn't scan, you can manually enter the code or ask an associate for help. Once all your items are scanned, the screen will display your total. Now, let's move on to selecting your payment method. After scanning all your items, the next step is to choose your payment method. On the touchscreen, you'll see various options like card, cash, or other digital payments. Select the cash option. The machine will then guide you to insert your money. It's important to insert your bills one at a time into the bill acceptor, ensuring they are flat and unfolded for proper recognition. Continue inserting your cash, bill by bill, until the amount you've inserted equals or exceeds your total purchase. The self-checkout machine will automatically calculate any change due. Once the payment is complete, the machine will dispense your change, usually in coins and smaller bills, from a separate slot. Don't forget to collect all your change and your printed receipt before leaving the station. For a smooth experience, remember to place scanned items in the bagging area to avoid errors. If you encounter any issues, such as an item not scanning, a bill not being accepted, or needing assistance with produce codes, don't hesitate to call for a Walmart associate. They are always available to help resolve any problems quickly. Always double-check your receipt before you leave to ensure accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.